warning for Orange County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 16 miles northwest of Port Jervis to 30 miles west of Port Jervis, or along a line extending from 9 miles south of Bethel to 23 miles west of Milford, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Otisville, Middletown, Unionville, Montgomery, Warwick, Newburgh, Goshen, Gardnertown, Florida, Chester, and Walden. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday evening for southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York,